Check it out, folks. It's been about, I don't know, 5, 6 weeks, and I'm in my greenhouse and I'm about to check out the air rooting root balls that I'm using on my lemon trees, my citrus trees, to produce new babies, to produce new clones, to produce new trees. So we started this little experiment several weeks back, and now we're starting to see the fruits of our labor. Here you go, Exhibit A. This, if I can pan back, it's in an air pot. We waited until it had good growth. We waited until lemon was really starting to show some good signs. And then in another video I showed y'all how to do this. And here you can see it. This is the clear side, and the clear side has all the root growth. So it's very easy to see that this is now ready to have its rooting ball removed, and then all of that up there put into some soil. We're about to do that today. And I've got one over there. I've got one over here. You can see another good sign is that the top of the tree started to split and push branches out. It's got some rooting going on in there, but this one's one of the younger ones, so it still needs another week or so. And if I come on down here, the other edge underneath this fan, we've got two more here, and this one here that I just put on last week. So, you know, we try to keep these things going, and these should be ready as well very soon. You can see some roots down there, and we'll be cutting it right about here, removing the ball, and then taking it and putting it in these pots right here, just for a short while, so that they can get root acclimated to a larger basin of soil. This is all back to Eden soil, made the way that I showed you in the video on soil making, and it works. It works really well. As a matter of fact, this specimen right here was grown from seeds in back to Eden soil, and it happens to be probably my healthiest citrus tree right now. So it's really going a long way to develop, you know. So if y'all are struggling with getting things, especially trees and hardwood cuttings, to evolve, there's some comfrey, into you know, into something that's usable, check these guys out. They work every single time. Like, sub, follow, do all that good stuff, so when I start talking about what works easily in the Back to Eden method, y'all get a notification, and you get to see what kind of cool stuff we're doing. Peace and be well.